Hello everyone, welcome to the second season of All About Me. First of all, I would like to thank all of you for donating such a generous amount. You guys, you have no idea how much this would mean to the amazing drag queens that are performing tonight. So, thank you. Thank you so much for the amount that you have donated today. Now, today we will be discussing about Independence Day, drag culture, and about this wonderful event that is gonna happen. Now, as you know, it's been 73 years from 200 years of slavery. Let's roll back a little and I'll show you what exactly happened. Play music. 73 years ago, our country got independence from 200 years of slavery. But are we really independent?
73 years ago, our nation got the independence from almost 200 years of slavery,
which imbibed the inferiority in our ancestors, and we decided to write our own laws based on what Britishers gave us.
We grew into the culture of our rulers and adopted these as ours.
So we ask you this, are you truly free? For an artist, their art is their voice, their life.
But our culture teaches us to see them as a hobby.
If an artist steps out of their comfort zone to break the shackles, the trolls and haters try to pull them down.
We are machines programmed to act a certain way to be accepted by the society.
We may be independent, but we still do not have the freedom. We refuse to let go of our freedom.
We all get one life to live.
And this life
is
all about me.
Special shout out to Gulshan Giri who has done amazing editing. Thank you, Gulshan. Okay, first of all, I would like to talk about the drag culture. The drag culture in India is just recently developing. It has been there from a very long time in India, but people don't understand it. People think it's some sort of joke. It's just a Western culture thing. We are trying to be cool. I mean, I do agree with trying to be cool part, but it's just so much more than that. Drag culture is so important because, it breaks the gender stereotype that is there and creates a more open kind of environment for not just LGBTQ plus people, but people in general. Because gender is for understanding, not a compulsion. Okay, about today's event, as you know, it's the Independence Day, so the 9 amazing performers which are from Delhi, Bangalore and Mumbai are going to give some amazing performances. But what are they going to perform on? That's a very interesting question. Well, me being me, Miss Banji, I have given all of them the task, the theme to perform on. And the theme is none other than Indian culture and drag. So I have got these different drag queens from different sectors of India who have a very different drag styles. Some of them do Indian, some of them don't do Indian. So it's gonna be a fun challenge for them and it's gonna be a fun show for you guys to watch it because I've really fucked it up. So I have very carefully selected 3 drag queens from each city, that is Delhi, Mumbai and Bangalore, and one by one I'm gonna introduce them to you and you're gonna have an amazing show tonight. So are you ready? Are you ready? No, really, are you ready though? Without wasting much time, let's start our show with our very first performer from all the way Delhi. She is a recently popular girl on Instagram who does these amazing looks, create characters through looks, and she is just amazing, guys. You must check her Instagram profile. It's beyond amazing. But before that, you should check out what they're gonna do tonight. It's amazing. Are you ready? Please welcome Divine Scarlet from Delhi, India.
कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय देवकी नन्दनाय च कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय देवकी नन्दनाय च नन्दगोपकुमाराय देवकी नन्दनाय च कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय देवकी नन्दनाय च
दातो न माता न बन्धुर्न दाता न दातो न माता न बन्धुर्न दाता न जाया न वेद्या न वृत्तिर्ममैव गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानि गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानि
Wow, that was brilliant. That was really brilliant. Guys, please donate for Divine Scarlet if you like their performance. Also follow them on their social media handles. Now, our next performer is all the way from Bangalore. Her name is Bahar. I'll tell you a little about Bahar. Bahar is a disco diva, the spring fantasy, a beautiful illusion they fall in love with is a woman who believes in celebrating life, celebrating youth, and growing old with pride. She believes that you can achieve anything you want if you put your mind into it, and would do anything, cross 7 oceans to achieve her dreams if she has to. She does not care about other people's opinions. She is the author of her own storybook and she is determined to make it the bestseller. This performance is in the honor of 70s and 80s divas Zeenat Aman, Parveen Babi, who broke stereotypes in the Indian film industry, bringing the bold and the beautiful freedom of self-expression to rather conservative society. The performance is all about celebrating what it truly means to be free. Freedom to live, love, laugh, and just be your authentic self. The performance starts with a dramatic entry. The first song is the part where Bahar will take the viewers to the world of performance. The second song is about celebrating youth and growing up. The third part is about staying focused and not giving a damn about what the society has to say about you, because their perception of you does not become your reality. Please welcome Bahar from Bangalore.
जवान जाने मन हसीन दिलरुबा मिले तो दिल जवा निसार हो गया जवान जाने मन हसीन दिलरुबा मिले तो दिल जवा निसार हो गया शिकारी खुद यहाँ शिकार हो गया ये क्या सितम हुआ ये क्या जुल्म हुआ ये क्या गजब हुआ ये कैसे कब हुआ न जानू मैं न जाने वो आहा
That's that mad strawberries, baby.
Wow, that was so beautiful, so seductive, so gorgeous. Guys, please keep sending clapping emojis, some amazing emojis, amazing comments about the performances that you're seeing. Okay, moving on. Our next performance is, oh my god, my sister. Yes, come on. So what to tell about the next queen, you know? You just see her, you just enjoy, you just learn something and you go home and think, yes, she is the one who triggers your brain. Please welcome Glorious Luna.
ये जो देश है तेरा, स्वदेश है तेरा, तुझे है पुकारा। ये वो बंधन है जो कभी टूट नहीं सकता। झुमका गिरा दे जो मिला ले, अगर वो नजर से नजर मिटा दे। नच के दिखा दे सबकी धड़कन भी कदम से कदम मिला दे। लहरों सी चाल के जाल बिछा के दिल को यूं बेहाल बना दे। सारे दीवाने माने न देखी कोई ऐसी गाल। देख लख लख परदेसी गाल, ain't nobody like my देसी गाल। देख लख लख परदेसी गाल, सब तो सोनी साड़ी देसी गाल। Who's the hottest girl in the world? ठुमका लगाई के she rock your world। का गिरा दे जो मिला ले अगर वो नजर से नजर मिटा दे नच के दिखा दे सबकी धड़कन भी कदम से कदम मिला दे तेरा सी जान के जाल बिछा के दिल को यूं बेहाल बना दे सारे दीवाने माने न देखी कोई ऐसी गो देख लख लख परदेसी girl ain't nobody like my desi girl देख लख लख परदेसी girl सब तो सोनी साड़ी देसी girl who's the hottest girl in the world देसी girl तुमका लगाई के she rock your world देसी
दीपा नेहा का बॉस। हाँ लगता है बॉस हमें टॉस करने वाला है। अब क्या करें? जो भी करेंगे एक साथ करेंगे।
That was brilliant, so gorgeous, glorious. Luna never ever fails to surprise you, bring that element of entertainment, beauty, and such strong concept. Thank you so much, Luna, for that amazing performance. Guys, now you just must donate for that wonderful performance that you have seen. The link is in the description. Just go and donate. Moving on, next we have the Bollywood diva all the way from Bangalore, India. She is actually completing her 1 year of drag today, and it's her drag birthday. Happy birthday! We have Rita Sperter from Bangalore, India. Happy 1 year drag birthday, Rita!
मरोड़ी कलाई मोरी, मरोड़ी कलाई मोरी, हाँ कलाई मोरी, हाँ कलाई मरोड़ी कलाई मोरी, चूड़ी चटकाई इतराई तो चोरी से गरबा लगाई, हरी ये चुनरिया जो झटके से छीनी, हरी ये चुनरिया जो झटके से छीनी, मैं तो रंग हरे हरे के रंग लाज से गुलाबी गाल मोहे रंग दो लाल नंद के लाल लाल, छेड़ो नहीं बस रंग दो लाल मोहे रंग दो लाल। आसमान की बाहों में चांद अकेला ठहरा था। हे, 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 रात की जवानी पे चांदनी का पहरा था। हे, 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 रुंझुन रुंझुन हवा का झोंका, उजली उजली रात, तारों की डोली में आई झिलमिलाती जुगनू की बारात। सबके होठों पे ठहरी थी आगे कोई बात। ढोल मंजीरे बजने लगे, बड़ी डफली पर था और ठुमक ठुमक कर नाच रही थी मेरी राधा प्यारी। ठुमक ठुमक कर नाच रही थी मेरी राधा प्यारी। जाने कहां से रास रचाने आया छैला गिरधारी। डरता है देखो मोरा जिया। हाँ, मोरे पिया। हे, 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 जमुना के तीर बाजे मृदंग करे कृष्ण रास राधा के संग। अधरों पे गीत मन में उमंग करे कृष्ण रास राधा के संग। सांसों में प्यास तन में तरंग करे कृष्ण रास राधा के संग। इस देख देख दुनिया है दंग करे कृष्ण रास राधा के संग।
Wow, that was wonderful. That was so beautiful, so aesthetically pleasing, and so well shot. Amazing, amazing job done by Rita Scotter. Do you guys agree? If yes, please donate right now and help support these amazing drag queens. Our next performer is again from Bangalore, India, the first club kid of India who is gonna do wonders tonight. Girls, you're not ready for this. You're definitely not ready for this because he's just not cute. He is so intelligent and creates such amazing concepts through his sketches. You're gonna love it. A little about 17 that I'd like to say is 17 is India's first club kid and is ready to serve ya a different bar on a different pitch. He is in mood and you gotta swing. You want him shipped, you only wish. His freedom revolves around artistic pursuits and hotboxing your brain. Might wanna join? Please welcome 17 from Bangalore, India.
साथ क्यों धुआं उठा चिराग से ये ख्वाब देखती हूँ मैं कि जब पड़ी हूँ ख्वाब से I go harder than anybody, daughter of the king, American dream, फिर भी दिल में हिंदुस्तानी, so don't misunderstand me. I do it for the people, yes I do it for my family, mainly. I'm gonna get it, I'm with it, I make it run, run. I'm gonna get it, I'm in it until it's done, done. They tried to stop me, don't make the same mistake. They tried to copy, but they can't take my place. Cause oh God, all eyes on the underdog, go hard. No time for your none at all, whole squad. Four ties on the boulevard, running through the streets of dark, flowing like the Ganga. Run and tell your mommy. The streets gon' bum-bum-bum, bum-bum-bum, bum-bum-bum. It's coming from the gully. It's coming from the city slums, city slums, city slums.
ये कल्पना नहीं है, इसका संगीत सुनकर भूत प्रेत, चुड़ैल और काला जादू जैसी नापाक शक्तियां थर थर कांपने लगती है। हकीकत में ऐसा कम ही होता है।
फिर देख रहा है, आज आंख सेक रहा है, कल हाथ सेकेगा। आज ढील छोड़ रहा है, कल खुद ही रोकेगा। आज मेरे लिए चेयर खींच रहा है, कल मेरी स्कर्ट खींचेगा। खींचेगा कि नहीं?
अक्कड़ बक्कड़ बम्बई बो 80-90 पूरे 100 रुपए का दम जो लूं 200 गम हो उड़न छू। ऊंचे से ऊंचा बंदा पोटी पे बैठे नंगा, फिर काहे की सोसाइटी साली काहे का पाखंडा। भेजे से कलेजे के कलेजे से मिट जाए हम मरोगे तो जियोगे हमारा दम।
तुम्हारे दोनों ना दीवार होवे, तुम्हें करिए प्यार तुम्हारा
Sport animal, war machine, king of the night, so fuck sleep. My ramble flow, fuck the game up since I came up. Gone deep, respect me, my legacy's Van Halen. You disgust me, I'm a rock god, you're a drunk slut and a gif on fucking BuzzFeed.
Oh my god. Oh, okay, wow. Guys, what? Wasn't that like too good? Brilliant job. Wow. These new drag queens who are coming in the scene are doing such mind-boggling job. I can't. I'm quitting you guys. I'm quitting. Just joking. Now, the next performer we're gonna have tonight is the gorgeous, the beauty, the fishy fish. But not that fish, but actually a better fish. You guessed it correct. Next we have Bella Nonstop. Every gay has had dream of being wrapped around in a towel and pounce around the living room about the guy from their dream. कैसा है? कौन है? न जाने कहाँ है? Obsessing over the Indian heartthrob Hrithik Roshan hears Bella Nonstop expressing her freedom to be wrapped around his towel and sing for her laddu.
Once upon a time, there was a girl with a dream. And in her dream was a Prince Charming. एक लड़की थी दीवानी सी, एक लड़के पे वो मरती थी. अरे ये वाला नहीं यार, अपना देसी ग्रीक गॉड.
Oh wow, that was fantastic, so fantastic. My god, Bella, she always brings the funny, she always brings the look, and she always brings you the performance. Guys, If you loved Beta's performance or if you loved any performances so far, please donate. The link is in the description. Our next performer is all the way from Delhi, India. Please welcome Hiten Noonwal. A little about his performance would be: imagine a world where voices of our own rights aren't suppressed. A society that's free from all the stereotypes and taboos. No gender is weaker or stronger. Imagine a world of equality, peace, respect and freedom. Please welcome Hiten Noonwal.
Imagine there's no heaven. It's easy if you try. No hell below us. Above us on the sky. Imagine all the people living for today. Imagine there's no countries. It isn't hard to do. Nothing to kill or die for. No religion too. Imagine all the people living life in peace. You may say I'm a dreamer, brotherhood of men. Imagine all the people sharing all the world, and you may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us, and the world will be as one. Imagine there's no heaven. It's easy if you try.
Wow, that was so beautiful. Back into the greens, into the woods, just brought back so many memories. I mean, remember the time when we used to go out and have fun in the green? That time we didn't care, but now that we see it, we know how important the nature is. So kudos to Hiten Nunwal for doing that to us. Now, next up, we have the OG queen here, the original, the one who started this buffoonery, gagoonery and gloonery. Yes. So our next performer is all the way from Mumbai, India, the gorgeous, the talented, the campy queen, Tropical Marga. About Tropical Marga, I would like to say, trigger alert, all bottoms feel free to feel your oats. This is why our next bitch is a legend. When I say tropical, you say Marga. Tropical Marga. Tropical Marga. Please give a round of applause for Tropical Marga from Mumbai, India. Wow. That was super cool. My god, no wonder she's the OG queen. That was fantastic, girl. Oh my god. Okay. Now I think we have had all the performances for tonight. The Independence Day is over. Thank you for coming, and it was really sweet. What? What did you say? I didn't get that. What? You want Miss Behenji to perform? You want me to perform? Are you serious? I mean, okay, अब इतना insist कर ही रहे हो तो I'll perform for you guys. You know, I thought a lot that, you know, what should I perform for this Independence Day and on this theme called Indian culture and drag. I thought, and then I was like, you know, what if I was taken as a lead heroine in all the amazing Bollywood item numbers? Then I thought, no, it's a very bad idea. They should never take me for item numbers in Bollywood. Why you're asking? Let me show you why.
न जाने कहाँ करेंगे लैंड के हिटलर चौके ना, हिटलर चौके ना, जी हिटलर चौके ना, हिटलर चौके ना। मेरे मियाँ गए इंग्लैंड, ओए ओए ओए, मेरे मियाँ गए इंग्लैंड में जाके बैंड न जाने कहाँ करेंगे लैंड के हिटलर चौके ना, हिटलर चौके ना, जी हिटलर चौके ना, हिटलर चौके ना।
पंखट पे आके सैया मरोड़े भैया, and everybody blames it on Radha. छेड़े हैं हम कन्हैया, बेरी कन्हैया, and everybody blames it on Radha. होगा वो लाखों दिल का चोर, हमका तो लगे बोर, हुआ है ऐसे बावला जो कहता जाए।
ओ राधा तेरी चुनरी, ओ राधा तेरा चल्ला, ओ राधा तेरी नटखट नजरिया, ओ राधा तेरा झुमका, ओ राधा तेरा ठुमका, ओ पीछे पीछे सारी नगरिया। ओ राधा तेरी चुनरी, ओ राधा तेरा चल्ला, ओ राधा तेरी नटखट नजरिया, ओ राधा तेरा झुमका, ओ राधा तेरा ठुमका, ओ पीछे पीछे सारी नगरिया।
You guys, thank you. Thank you so much if you liked and enjoyed my performance. That was just a little try on giving an homage to the beautiful divas of Bollywood. Were you able to guess all the 7 divas? If yes, comment right now. The one who gets all the correct answers will get a shout out from my side. Okay, now we have come to the end of this event and well, you know me, इतने जल्दी तो शो खत्म होने दूंगी नहीं. So, I have asked all the performers to dance and perform on one song that I have given them to perform on. This song is so close to my heart as a 90s kid and it has so many colors, so much equality in the lyrics. I just love this song. So please welcome all the performers including me giving a tribute to the Independence Day on the song Made in India by Alisha Chinoy.
देखी है सारी दुनिया, जापान से लेके रशिया, ऑस्ट्रेलिया से लेके अमेरिका,
art as a 90s kid, and it has so many colors, so much equality in the lyrics. I just love the song. So please welcome all the performers, including me, giving a tribute to the Independence Day on the song Made in India by Alisha Chinoy. Thank you so much guys for coming and joining this live. I hope you enjoyed this show. I mean, we really tried to keep you entertained, and we tried our best to have an amazing digital shows. And thank you so much for whoever who have donated for this cause. It surely means a lot, and please share this video with as many people as possible and donate. The donation link is open till 22nd of July, so please donate and help us reach our goal. Thank you so much, and I hope you have an amazing Independence Day and an amazing year ahead. I love you, and I'll be coming soon with season 3. Who knows?